Dear parents, teachers and protectors of our children, I'm Lylan from the world of Atapuma. In previous episodes, we have reflected together on the lessons offered by the story of Fela the Cat. This journey has allowed us to better understand various situations that children experience and that directly influence the construction of their emotional world. Next, we present some practical recommendations aimed at strengthening support for children in the prevention of school bullying. Role-playing. Children are encouraged to act out situations inspired by Fela's story, such as teasing from classmates, exclusion in the classroom, or Nico's lack of support. The goal is for them to understand what Fela experienced and explore different ways of responding to these situations. The adult guides the reflection to identify emotions, causes, and alternative responses. This helps strengthen empathy, decision-making, and the ability to respond assertively to school bullying. Art therapy with Fela. Children express through drawing or painting how they believe Fela felt during different moments of the story, especially when she was rejected and when she regained her confidence. The adult facilitates questions that connect those emotions with personal experiences. This activity encourages emotional awareness, safe expression of feelings, and understanding of one's inner world. Empathy adventures. Using scenes from the story, children analyse how Fela and the other characters felt in each situation, suggesting what they would have done in their place. The adult guides the discussion to deepen understanding of emotions and possible actions. This develops empathy and the ability to understand the impact of one's actions on others. Friendship puzzle. As a team, children assemble an image of Fela during a positive moment in her story, promoting cooperation and respect. During the activity, the adult invites reflection on how Fela needed support and how friends can make a difference. This strengthens teamwork, a sense of belonging, and appreciation for support and companionship. Magical melodies. Songs that reinforce self-esteem and joy are used, encouraging children to move and express themselves, just as Fela did when she regained her confidence. The adult creates a brief space for children to share how they feel. This promotes emotional regulation, well-being, and connection with positive emotions. Resilience maze. Children follow a path that symbolises the difficult moments Fela experienced, such as teasing, sadness, and loneliness. As they progress, they make decisions that represent ways to overcome those situations. The adult guides reflection on how Fela managed to move forward. This strengthens resilience, perseverance, and the ability to face challenges. Gratitude journal. Children are invited to record positive aspects about themselves and their lives, just as Fela learned to recognise her own worth in front of the mirror. The adult may support the activity with questions that reinforce this self-recognition. This helps strengthen self-esteem, self-acceptance, and positive thinking. Emotional mandalas. Children create mandalas representing emotions that Fela experienced, such as sadness, joy, fear, and confidence, identifying how those emotions change throughout the story. The adult accompanies the reflection. This promotes emotional self-regulation, concentration, and emotional awareness. Fela Reading Club. Children discuss the story, sharing how they felt about Fela, what they think about her classmates, and what they would have done differently. The adult facilitates the conversation with open-ended questions. This strengthens reflection, story comprehension, and connection with personal experiences. The Wheel of Kindness. Children design acts of kindness that could have helped Fela in her story and that they can apply in their own environment. The adult guides them to make these actions concrete and achievable. This fosters empathy, social responsibility, and commitment to respectful treatment of others. These activities, inspired by the story of Fela the Cat, promote the development of empathy, self-regulation, and resilience, providing children with essential tools to prevent school bullying and build safer, more respectful, and more conscious environments. On behalf of myself and all the members of the world of Atapuma, thank you for contributing through these activities to the well-being and holistic growth of children. If this capsule touched your heart, follow us for more content that inspires, supports, and strengthens families.